Clear? So now we understand the differences also. There is a question which is every time we import, do we need to have a new security token? No. So you can use the same security token till the time you do not go and reset the security token. Till that time you can use the same security token. Should not be a problem. Same way, the way we did our import thing or insert here, same way you can do an export as well here. Through your data loader, you can do an export as well. So you have an export option, you do export, let's say export account. Okay. So there are a few advantages that data loader brings in for export also. So in export, data loader advantages for export. So for export, as you can see, there we had a long process. We tried to do an export there, and I told you that there is a long process for export, right? You start the export, you wait for the email. After you receive the email, get a link, click on the link, go to the page, download URL, download the file. A long process. But if you work through data loader, it will give you instant download. Right? So using data loader, you can instantly download the file, the export file. Second thing that we can do with this export option is data loader export. We have that option of we can put queries on the data. So you have the option of putting a query on the data that you want to export. If you remember, the export thing that we just did not have any query option. You select account, it will export all the accounts. You select leads, it will select all the leads. What if I want to select only the accounts from a particular country? Or if I want to export only 4 fields of data? That option was not there, right? So here we have that option. So if you go to export and click on next, see here you have the option of selecting the fields. Query your data the way you want. Which fields you want to export? I just want to export the name field and the type field. I just want to export data where the billing country equals US. So these options are available here, right? So you don't have to take the complete dump of the entire object. You can export a small part of it. You can put a query on that. You can try to export the way you want, right? And the moment you say finish, it will give you an instant download file. So it will not make you wait for the email and the link and the URL and all that stuff. 2 records were extracted. Right. So I just wanted 2 fields, and there are 2 records which meet the criteria, and it has given it to me. Right. So in a way, data loader is something which is more useful for performing these data operations, but it depends whether the company wants to allow you to work on data loader or they just want you to stick to the import wizard and export option on the web-based application. Because see, data loader, though it is faster and though it is more efficient, but it brings a little bit of security concern as well, right? So for that reason, sometimes companies do not allow the end users to work on something like a data loader, but Yeah, at times they do. Right? So are we clear on this? Have we understood the data loader part of it and the import export side of it? Please let me know if there are any questions on this. Fine. Okay. So you will have a small activity to do. I want all of you to create a small file, Excel spreadsheet, put any 10 companies name, okay, put some phone number, dummy phone number, fax number, website sort of things, and try to do an import both through the import wizard as well as through data loader, and try to do export as well. Okay. Tejasvi has a question. She is asking what is upsert. Yeah, upsert basically is a combination of update and insert. So sometimes if you are not sure that the contacts that you are inserting, you feel that some of those contacts might already be existing in Salesforce, then you do an upsert. So upsert will do what? In case it finds the contact or the record already in the Salesforce, it will update that record. In case it does not find it, it will insert that record. Right? So it's a combination of update and insert.